going on, everybody? It's Tyler from CleanCo401. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn those notifications on. From here on out, we're going to be posting new videos each and every week. Today, I'm going to be reviewing this MGK shoe cleaner. I'm going to be using this to clean some retro 12s. Let's dive right into it. Alrighty, now we're just going to grab our MGK cleaner and throw it in the bowl as always. Now don't forget to add your water to your cleaning solution. That's right, now we're good to go. Now we're just going to mix our bowl around a little bit. Put that right there so it's easy to get. There we go. Now this brush is a little longer than what I'm used to. I'm used to the shorter brushes, so easier to fit into the bowl completely. However, this will work. Now we're just going to start scrubbing this dirty sneaker. We're going to make sure we get every area. Oh yeah, fill that brush with solution, get it all over there. These bristles are really stiff, doing the job. As you can see, the dirt's already off that side of the sneaker. Now we're going to start hitting the bottom. Oh yeah, there we go, nice and gentle. Putting a lot of pressure on the sides there. These are some wool 12s, so the material is very different than the normal material we're used to cleaning on this channel. However, this MGK is getting the job done, as you can see. There we go. We're just going to continue to go with the brush. Keep cleaning the sneaker as we do. Well, solution's really tough. Getting all the dirt off the sneaker, and it's not clogging up the solution at all either in the bowl. It's not killing the solution. It's still cleaning the sneaker. That sneaker looks very, very, very clean. Alright, now we're just gonna brush it off with the towel quick. Make sure we get all those suds off so it can dry correctly the right way and stay sparkly. Alright, now we're just going to dive into the other sneaker. I sped this one up a little bit for you so you don't have to listen to me talk that much over the cleaning footage. However, we're just going to do the same thing we did on the last shoe. We're just going to go over it with the cleaner. Boom, bang, boom. We're going to get all that dirt off. Circular motions. There we go. Now on the bottom, we're going to go strong. A lot of pressure on the bottom. Get all that dirt off. There's a lot of dirt on these sneakers. Very, very dirty sneakers. And this MGK cleaner is doing the job. Alright. Now that's it for that sneaker. We're just going to wipe it off. We're going to continue with the towel. A lot of suds on the bottom. These 12s are hot. Now we're going to put them to the side. And that's it for the cleaning job. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning those 12s. They came out clean. They are nice and sparkly. I actually like the MGK shoe cleaner. The brush was long. The bristles were thick. You know I like thick bristles. The dirt was falling right off the bristles as I continued to dip the brush in the water. That's why you gotta dip your brush in the water when you're cleaning your shoes. But yeah, the dirt was falling right off the brush. And the dirt in the solution wasn't killing the solution either. The solution was still doing its job. The solution got all the dirt off. And yeah, they came out very good. Good cleaner. I recommend it. definitely would go check it out. I'm going to throw the link in the description as to where you can buy this product. I'm also going to put their Instagram in the description, my Instagram in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you go follow CleanCo401 on Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow MGK Shoe Cleaner on Instagram. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.